Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. The first one requires entering your contact list and the second is kind of manual, I would say. Of course I'll show you both and I'd like to start with contacts. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's pick block numbers. And as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got this information that this number is blocked and everything went fine, basically. Of course, if you want to, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let's leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So right now, as I said, the second way is more manual, which simply means that you do not have to have the number saved on your contacts. And it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general section on the third position, we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter. And here we've got our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, which is perfect because it works. And in order to manually block the number here, we have to tap on add a number. And as you can see, we've got the section where we can enter the number manually. We can also paste the number and simply tap on block. And it will immediately appear on the blacklist. If you want to, you can also turn on this option, unknown, which simply means that after, of course, turning it on, your device will be allowed to block calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn it off also by using the switcher. And basically, if you want to unblock the number, you can do it just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your BLACKVIEW Tab 12. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.